Hi there, my name is Lee Arnold. I'm the owner and broker of Benchmark Properties. I'm going to welcome you today to 31916 Del Cielo Este, number 6, in beautiful Bonsall, California. Come on, let's take a tour of this beautiful condo. This newly renovated kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and elevated lighting in the kitchen. The condo here features 2 bedrooms, 1 bath with a living room, dining area, and in addition to this wonderful condo, the community features ample parking, a 1-car garage, a pool, jacuzzi, and community center. The balcony, located right off of the living room, features views of the world-famous San Luis Down Thoroughbred Training Center.